Pure kills tayo. Okay, first move natin. Siyempre, pula tayo sa red buff. Let's go!
All troops deployed.
Sino ba magpapahirap sa atin dito? Wala naman eh.
Truly
Ay,
wise.
makukuha natin tong red buff.
Initiate retreat. What's the truth?
Pumunta kasi yung Benedetta doon. Nakita tuloy ng Harley. Wala tuloy red nung ano.
Fate forced me to become the savage.
Okay, meron tayo isang kill.
That was amazing.
19 kills to go.
One loss.
Ay!
An enemy has been slain.
Okay, asan tayo?
The truth. An enemy has been slain. We have slain an
2-0. 18 kills to go.
Give me name. Nothing is true. Killing
Uy.
spree. Request backup.
3-0. Tayo natin 20 kills. Ay, patay ka.
Truly wise. Nothing
Ay!
has been slain.
KKS na. Visit na yun. Kung may S pa.
Serve the light. Killing
Ay,
spree.
sa kanya patuloy.
Request backup. Mega kill.
Patay ka na, boy.
Nothing is true.
Nabembang ka tuloy. Saka pa.
Destroyed a turret.
Ay, gago, patay tayo.
Wise, not monster. That was amazing. Solo kill.
Ay, godlike na tayo. Tapos tayo
Player.
na magpupush
That
dyan.
was amazing. Fate forced me to become the
Patay ka na, boy.
legendary.
Nabembang ka.
Solo kill.
Ligay mo. May magpupush ba dito? Ayun. Patay ka, boy. Nabembang ka ulit.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Saan ka pupunta?
Legendary.
Inabangan na kita. Ago, patay ka. Leomord, pinasok sa tore. Ayun, buhay. Patay ka, hindi ka pwedeng tumambay dyan.
Legendary.
Nabigyan ko tuloy ng bembang. O, isa ka pa.
Legendary. Truly wise man will not tell the truth.
Ha? Gusto matalo? Nagsusurrender? Yung mga
An enemy has been slain.
patay ka.
Legendary. Ally has been slain.
Huwag lang tayo papahuli.
Wasn't me. Nothing is true. Legendary. An enemy has been slain.
Hindi ako nagpakita ka na.
Double
Sayang.
kill. Legendary.
Okay, 5 kills to.
Gather at the
Go!
Lord.
5 kills na lang, boy. 20 kills na.
Attack.
Pag mag-def mo na, Hellcurt.
Truly wise man will not. Lord Slayer. It has been slain. What's the
Ano na, madidef niya na yan. Yan, wala dalawa eh. Bakit ang flikera? Nag-okay na natin. Si Mia tuloy ang nabigyan ng bembang. Ay, patay ka na.
Nothing is true.
Huwag po, muntik na ako.
Ally has been slain. Our turret is under attack.
Diba? patay ka sa akin.
Amazing!
Tatlo na lang guys, tatlo na lang.
Enemy rampage! Our turret has been destroyed.
Nag-in V?
Ally has been slain. Shut down! Legendary!
Huwag yan, ayaw kita. Oo nga, kung kaya kita.
Nothing is true. Legendary!
Last one kills. Last one kill.
Truly wise man would not double kill.
Back tayo si April.
Sword Slayer!
Nakuha natin 20 kills guys. 20 kills, 0 deaths. Tapos pwede na natin tapusin to. Nainggit daw yung Benedetta. Pwede na ito tapusin. Nakuha na natin yung target natin na kill.
Become an assassin. Your team destroyed a turret.
Pero pwede pang 20 plus kill to eh.
Truly wise man would
Kaya lang
not
natin. Ayun, pwede na. Tapusin na natin. Nice one.
destroyed a turret.
We got that 20 kills, master. Nabembang natin lahat. God among men. 20 kills guys.